Hey guys, how's it going? It's Raul here from Direct Quality Auto Glass. I'm going to show you guys how to repair this. A common issue with a lot of the Chrysler or Dodge vehicles. As you guys can see, the whole mirror is completely loose. I know a lot of technicians have asked me in the past how to fix this. So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and twist it off. Of course, the best thing to do is always take off the clip, loosen it up from here. You are going to need your T20. We also have this little kit right here. Go ahead and focus on that. And we're going to use this one right here, the N5. It's a little washer. So first things first, take off the little screw that's in the back. Cool. There we go. You just want to be real gentle with this. Sometimes they take a little while to come off. They feel like they're loose, but in reality they are not. Grab your little washer. Go ahead and put it in here. Really simple stuff. Perfect. Okay, awesome. I just got that. Now right here inside the little joint, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab just super tiny bit. Go ahead and get it in there. Don't worry. See how it kind of just loosened up a bit? Awesome, cool. There's that. I was gonna use the dauber, but I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna put just a little bit inside of the little joints. My apron is extremely dirty. I'm just gonna clean it off there. Other than that, I usually use like a piece of paper or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and of course put it back on here and twist it. If you don't feel comfortable or confident using your arm strength, because sometimes you can push on the glass too much, you could of course use some pliers, grab it from the side, and you're able to twist it on and twist it off. Okay, super simple. Check this out. Big old difference. The mirror moves freely, very nice, and it's really well on there. As you guys can see, it's really well on there here on the bracket. So hopefully this video is useful to someone. Once again, this is the kit, the one that we use. You could use any kind of lubrication or grease to lubricate the joint on the mirror, and a little bit of grease of course on when you're twisting it on. But other than that, hopefully